So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the devopsrite. And today, our task is to automate the Wi-Fi password. So, what are the prerequisites for this? That your Wi-Fi router supports a web interface to allow you to change the password. And second is you have the necessary credentials to log into the router. Like for me, my router, for example, I can access my router admin page using its local IP, which is 192.168.1.200 slash mobile.html. Yeah, this is my router's admin page. I have all the necessary credentials, so you also need that. So let's start coding it. For that, we need to first import our OS. Second, we need to import the time. Sorry. Import random for generating the password. Import string because our password is going to be string. And we will also need date time. Yes. Okay. And now we need WebDriver from Selenium. Import WebDriver. Spelling mistake, sorry. Okay, now we need to import service. Yes, the suggestion is correct. By the way, I would like to tell you that if you do not have a GitHub student account, then you can apply for. If you have your college email ID, then you can apply for GitHub Student Developer Pack. Benefit is that you can get GitHub Copilot in your VS Code. This Copilot have all the access to your code and also can suggest you changes and something. That's why it is suggesting me. Sorry. Okay, let's back to our code. Yeah, now after importing services, we need to import options also. Yeah, it is giving me suggestion. I will just simply press tab, and yeah, I need by. Okay, also .env to load the credentials from the environment file. Now we need to import by also. Selenium, sorry, .webdriver .common .by, import by, very good. Okay, now from fill, import image. Also we need import by Tesseract. Okay, now after importing Tesseract, you will also need to import this WebDriver weight and expected conditions as EC. Okay, for the code to work, we also need to define the waiting function for 2 seconds. Now this is the email library, means SMTP library that will send you the email with new Wi-Fi password. Okay, I will explaining this email part in the next video, so I'm skipping this one. Okay, this is Tesseract. It will be downloaded. I will give you the download link in the description. Also in this readme file, you can follow. And we need to give its path here. After that, we need to load the environment file in which our credentials are written, like the username for the router and the password of the router. So we need to access them username os.getenv router username. Similarly for the password. Now we will be setting up Brave and Chrome driver here. For that we need to give the Brave path. So where you will find your Brave path? Yeah, it is suggesting me, and this is the default location. For your condition, you can go to C drive, program files, and then in your browser folder, and you will reach this path and .exe, your browser application. After that, we need to add Chrome driver path. Okay, I'm just using the suggestions. Maybe your path is different for the Chrome driver you downloaded. You can put that here. After giving the path, then we need to call the options. I will say Chrome underscore options equals options. Okay. Now Chrome options dot, I will choose binary location, and binary location, where is our binary browser? It is in the Brave path, so we can give that here. Okay, after giving the Brave path, now we need to call Chrome options dot add argument disable GPU. Also we can use another line which is for the headless one. Chrome options dot add argument. What the headless means? The logging on the admin panel will be invisible. To make that visible, we can just comment this line like this. Then we will see the actual working changes and changing of the password. After GPU, now we need to call the service, Chrome driver path. I'm just accepting the suggestion. Driver equals to WebDriver. Okay, very good. You can see that I don't need to write too much code. The Copilot is already suggesting me. Now we need to open the router page.